Hey everybody, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beaded and embroidered detachable collar with size 8 multicolored glass seed beads from Bead Landing, which are available at Michael's. Today I'm using the Christmas collection of colors, but they also come in metallics, brights, and pastels. Not only does this box of beads make a terrific gift for someone in your life who is creative, it's perfect for your beading projects. There are so many colors in each box, and this set is perfect for what we're making today. Are you ready? Let's get started. These are some old shirts that were headed for donation, but I decided to make this project with them. The Christmas collection of seed beads from Bead Landing is perfect for this project. I love the color selection and the size of the beads. This video is a bit longer today because I'm going to show you 3 ways to make these beaded collars. The first thing we're going to do is cut off the collars from the striped and the white shirt and then iron them. Get some iron-on interfacing, and using the backs of the shirts, pin the cut-out collar on top. We're using it as a pattern. Trace around it, adding 1/2 inch for seam allowance, and then cut them out. Now cut out the interfacing and iron it on to 1 layer of each collar. Take the striped collar again and trace around it. We're going to use these in a minute. For the striped collar, I'm cutting out cotton fabric flowers and using them as an applique. Once they're cut out, I'm going to use a fusible to glue them to the collar, but you can also use a fabric glue. It's up to you. Draw some designs on your traced collar, and using a transfer pencil, we're going to transfer the design onto the cutout collar with the interfacing. Iron the design on both sides of the collar. To prep the third collar, I'm going to use fabric paint and stencil on some dainty flowers on each side. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you can touch them up later with a brush and cover up any mistakes with these wonderful beads. For our yellow collar, we're going to use a simple split stitch and embroider our transfer design in green embroidery thread. A split stitch is easy and quick, so this didn't take long at all. Finally, we get to start beading. Using the cornflower blue beads, we're going to add them along the vines about every 1/4 inch. On the ends of some of the stems, I'm adding rows of 3 beads to make a flower. To add more interest, I'm making some small red flowers. Simply add 1 bead to the collar, push the needle back up through the fabric next to the bead, then add 7 beads to your thread. Push the needle back down where you started, then back up on the other side to add a stay stitch to the circle of beads. So easy. Now we're going to bead the striped collar. Using the beautiful green beads, we're going to fill up the leaves following the pattern. The colors don't have to be exactly the same. In fact, it looks better if they're not. It gives more interest. Now to add interest to the roses, I'm adding the red silver-lined beads along with the white and translucent beads. Next, I'm going around the applique with dots of turquoise beads to give it pops of color. For the stenciled collar, we're embellishing the stems and adding small round flowers like we did on the yellow collar. To finish the yellow collar, we're going to add the second layer of fabric on top, and with the machine needle in the left hand position or using a zipper foot, we're going to stitch around the collar, leaving a hole, and then turn it right side out. Once it's turned right side out, we're going to hand stitch the hole closed. To wear these collars, you simply button them like you would a normal shirt collar, or add a brooch, or stitch on a ribbon and tie them. It's up to you. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, even if it's just to say hi. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.